When you're considering property management software like Mynd, there are several things you need to know before you make your decision. In this video, we'll dive into 12 important factors you should keep in mind before buying Mynd. While it has a lot of great features, we'll also compare it to other competitors to help you figure out if it's the right choice for you. Stick with me until the end, and I'll also recommend a solution that might be even better for your needs. First up, Mynd shines when it comes to user-friendly interfaces. Compared to other property management software, Mynd offers a clean, intuitive dashboard, making it easier to track everything from rent payments to maintenance requests. However, if you're looking for something even more customizable, other platforms like AppFolio offer deeper reporting and configuration options that may better fit your needs. Next thing to consider is Mynd's pricing. The platform offers competitive rates, but it isn't the cheapest on the market. While it might be a good fit for those looking for an all-in-one solution, if you're a smaller operation or have tighter budgets, other providers like Rentec Direct might give you more flexibility without the hefty price tag. The third thing to know is that Mynd is highly automated. From payment processing to tenant communications, it handles most day-to-day tasks. If you're managing a large number of properties, this can save you significant time and effort. But if you're managing just a handful of properties and prefer more personal touchpoints, you might find platforms like Buildium more suitable with its more humanized customer service. The fourth thing is that Mynd includes a lot of integrations. Whether it's accounting software or payment processors, you're covered with a variety of connected tools. However, if you're managing a portfolio with very specific needs, some other systems like Yardi might have more advanced or niche integrations. The fifth thing is customer support. Mynd provides 24/7 support, but some users report slower response times compared to others in the market. Competitors like AppFolio tend to have quicker response times and more direct access to experts, so if reliable support is a priority for you, it might be worth considering those options. Next thing is the mobile app. Mynd has a solid mobile experience for both landlords and tenants, allowing you to track payments, submit maintenance requests, and more. However, if you need a more robust mobile app experience with advanced features like live chat or in-depth reporting, platforms like Rentec Direct can offer a better experience on the go. The seventh thing is marketing tools. Mynd includes options to list properties, but compared to competitors, the marketing tools feel somewhat basic. If you're looking for a platform with more advanced marketing features like automated ads or enhanced listings, you might want to look at Buildium, which offers a broader range of options in this area. The eighth thing is its tenant and owner portal. Mynd's tenant portal is fairly user-friendly, and tenants can easily pay rent and submit requests. However, it lacks some of the more detailed customization options that other platforms like Yardi or AppFolio offer, so if you're seeking more extensive customization, this may be a drawback. The ninth thing to keep in mind is scalability. Mynd is a good option for small to medium property managers, but if you're managing a larger portfolio, you might find that Mynd lacks the advanced features and reporting tools necessary to handle the complexity. Yardi, for instance, would be a better option for large-scale property management. The 10th thing is the lack of full accounting functionality. While Mynd does integrate with accounting software, it doesn't have the deep accounting features some competitors offer, like AppFolio's built-in accounting system. If you need to do detailed financial analysis in-platform, you may want to consider other options that provide more comprehensive accounting tools. Next, Mynd does well with tenant screening. However, if you need in-depth background checks and tenant verification tools, services like Rentec Direct provide more comprehensive background checks, making them a better choice if tenant screening is a priority. The 12th and final thing is Mynd's flexibility when it comes to handling different types of properties. It works well for both single-family homes and multifamily units, but if you're dealing with commercial properties or a wider variety of assets, you might find systems like Yardi better equipped for handling that level of complexity. In conclusion, Mynd is a strong contender with a user-friendly interface, solid automation, and a lot of useful features. However, depending on the size of your operation and your specific needs, other